It's order arms now. Ready? Order arms. Here's what I'm sure you'll get. It's called parade rest. It looks like this. Ready? Parade rest. All right, I guess you'll make a soldier. That's enough for one day. Put your rifle back in the rack. Next soldier, grab a rifle. All right, soldier, grab that rifle. Time to learn the manual of arms. Get your feet in the right place. Face me. Suck that gun in. Shoulders back, chest out. Oh, I see I've got my work cut out for me. All right, the first position is squad attention. I give the commands. You move when I shout the last word. Got it? Squad attention. Oh, that was weak. We've got a long way to go. Next is carry arms. You do just what I do, but remember, don't move until I say the last word. Ready? Carry arms. Oh my, are you sure you want to be a soldier? Let's try the next one. It's a lot simpler. Rifle salute. Not bad. At least you can do the easy one. Next is present arms. You bring it up like this. Ready? Present. Not yet. Arms. Good. Getting better. All right, from here we go to right shoulder arms. 2 easy movements like this. Right shoulder arms. This is our main marching position, so let's practice by marking time. Refresh recruits. That means marching in place. On the word march, shift your weight to the right foot. Then start marching with your left. Mark time, march, left.